Near the edge of the jungle lived a small, cute puppy named Leo. Leo had soft brown fur, shiny eyes, and a playful heart. He loved mornings the most. Leo stretched his little paws and wagged his tail happily.
What a beautiful day!
What a beautiful day! Wow, a butterfly! I want to catch it!
Without thinking, Leo ran after the butterfly. The butterfly flew deeper into the jungle. Leo followed it, laughing and barking with joy. Soon, the butterfly disappeared. Dog stopped. He looked around. The trees looked taller. The paths looked unfamiliar. His mother was nowhere to be seen.
Mom? Mom, where are you? I need to go home. I need to find my mom. I need to go home. I need to find my mom.
Mom!
You are so small, but you are the bravest hero I know.
Being entirely.
You are so small, but you are the bravest hero I know.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Toon Factory for more amazing kids stories.